Do you know that aside YouTube monetization, there are still other ways that you can make money here on YouTube? So if you're looking for a way to make money on YouTube, then this is the perfect idea for you. YouTube has a lot and lots of opportunities for anyone that wants to make money from it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from a particular business idea that is booming here on YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel, CC Discover. So on this channel, we talk about anything on how to make money, either through business ideas or skills. So please kindly subscribe if you're not, and also stay notified always so that you will get to know when I post a new and interesting video. And please do not forget to always share, comment, like. A lot of people are struggling with growing a channel here on YouTube. The truth is that it's not so easy for so many people. Some people are getting it right, some other people are struggling with growing a channel, and that is why this business idea is very lucrative here on YouTube. This business is something that if you take it seriously, it will change your life. So guys, I call this business idea YouTube estate business. So this is a business idea where instead of you owning houses, you own digital properties, and the digital properties are the channels that you have. This is a business for smart people, for people that know how to do these things. See, let me tell you something. If you know how to do this, this business will change your life in a twinkle of an eye. Currently, so many people are looking for ways to make money on YouTube, and that is why you see a lot of channels coming up. And trust me guys, out of 100 channels, let me say 50 are doing very well. Do you know why? Because it is not very easy here on YouTube to grow and monetize a channel. That is where your business comes in, your YouTube estate business. So what is YouTube estate business? YouTube estate business is where you grow and sell channels. Instead of the collection of houses like normal estates that we know, right? What you do is you grow and sell off channels, like the way people build houses and sell them off. That is how you grow a channel and sell it off. And you know one thing about this business, you will make money. Like you're going to make money, you're going to print money in dollars, because when you grow channels and you want to sell them off, you have to calculate the value of that channel. It's not as if you're going to charge the person for a lifetime, but this is you calculating the worth of the channel, just the way you buy estate, just the way you buy houses. So thank God for AI. Right now everybody is doing faceless channel. This time that we are is the perfect time for you to start this YouTube estate business. There are a lot of people out there that want to own YouTube channels, but they do not want to go through the emotional, physical, mental stress and all of that. They just want to have a channel. They just want something like a ready-made, and that is where this business comes in. I've seen a lot of creators here on YouTube growing channels so fast and monetizing it. See, if you know how to do this thing, this is a perfect business idea for you. You're going to make a lot of money. And one thing about this business is, apart from the one-time sell-off of that YouTube, you know, when you sell it off, you have handed over ownership to the other person. You're no longer the owner, you're no longer in control, you're no longer in charge. You still have like a recurring passive income you're going to be making from this thing. And how is this? There's still chances that you'll be offering services to this new channel owner. The person have bought this channel, right? Is the person's own, right? Now the person might need you to be, you know, putting up content on it. The person might need you to manage the channel for him or her, and that is where you have a recurring income. Do you understand? That means you will continue making money from that channel, but indirectly. Now you are not making money from the channel like directly, maybe the monetization and other things, because you are not the owner again, but the owner will be paying you for the services, for maintenance, for management and all of that, especially when the new owner is either a very busy person or someone that really is not into all this but just want to own a monetized channel. So you see that there are lots of opportunities in this business. So if you're starting this business, I'll advise that you you put it up on other social media platforms. You get? Because I know that there are so many people here on YouTube making their money that do not have business with other social media platforms, right? But for this your YouTube estate business, I advise that you also put it up on other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. You get? Instagram and TikTok especially. Trust me, on those platforms you will see a lot of people that are interested. So like I said, this business idea is a lucrative and a very smart one, and if you know, or you're gifted, or you're talented with growing a channel so fast, I think that you should also try this stream of income as well. So guys, that is all about starting a YouTube estate business. So if you have any question on this, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you for sticking to the end, and make sure you subscribe and stay notified, because I'll be bringing more interesting videos. And do not forget to always share my videos to people that will also need this kind of information. See you in my next video. Bye.